Hello. Okay. Uh, Today again we are going to talk about SE. Uh, so these days we are targeting to SE students uh, to secure good marks in the exam in computer science. Now let's start discussion. And this question was asked in 2080, and the caption was Gandaki. Let's start from first. What is e-banking? So e-banking, it is the technology using which uh, we can go for the transaction of the cash easily using the software. So that is e-banking. What is mobile computing? So mobile computing, uh, simply it says that use the wireless devices where is not needed, wireless devices, and like mobile phone or maybe the laptop, iPad, to access all the features of normal desktop and the other computers when we are working, learning, moving. So that is called mobile computing. We can access the data from anywhere. Which view of MS cases helps to modify the table? So design view in MS cases, it helps us to modify the table. Gradually, I'll also be helping you to work with MS Access in latest platform. So as we finish this one, then we'll also talk about the MS Access, its features, and how to work with the MS Access, etc. Write down the types of modular programming. So we have two types of modular programming in which we write the different modules. First is a sub procedure and the next is a function procedure. Writing two name of data type using C programming language. So two data types are int and char. Now we have here a second number, that is we have got to write technical term. A device that connects to digital networks, that is a gateway. And next is the technology to encode the file or messages, that is called encryption. Write the full form for following. So ISDN. ISDN simply says that integrated services digital network. STP, it stands for Silly Twisted Pair. Now we have phone number. What is browser? Give any two examples of browser. Browser, it is an application that runs on web, internet, and that is used to render the web pages, upload the files, download the files. We have two examples like Opera and Safari. And now we have next, define digital footprint. How can you manage your digital footprint? So what is digital footprint? First, let's know about this one. So digital footprint means the trail of data and left by the users after they are leaving the computers uh, on internet. We can control by using privacy settings, deleting the account, used account from the history, not sharing the personal informations. Yes, so this is how we can manage our digital footprint. What is software security? Two principles of information security. Software security, it is a process of securing the softwares from unauthorized access, threats, hackings, attacks, etc. So two principles of information security are confidentiality and integrity. So these are the two principles of the information security. Next is what is e-commerce? You need to add what is e-commerce. E-commerce, which is stands for electronic commerce. It means selling and buying of goods, products online using the gateway, using the online portals. Two advantages of e-commerce: physical setup is not needed, 24 into you that 7 services available. What is contemporary technology? Right, I need two advantages of cloud computing. Contemporary technology. So what is this contemporary technology? So contemporary means this is the latest technology happening in the world, the arrive in the world, and just we are familiar with this one. So that is called contemporary technology. uh, any two advantage of cloud computing is there. We can easily and quickly access the information from anywhere. We can back up our data, restore our data, and next is there. Uh, we can also get the infrastructure if we are going to run our business line. Differentiate between data and information with examples. So data and information. Data means raw fact, yes. Information means the process thing we can see. Uh, Data mostly carries, uh, uh, it don't carry any meaning there. So information it carries a useful issue that result output that can be used somewhere, whereas the data cannot be. Example, like if we say 12, so simply we are saying it's a number, and when we say 12 plus 12, it gives us 25. So this is an information. What is RDBMS? That you need two examples of it. What is RDBMS? Write into examples of it. RDBMS, it stands for Relational Database Management System. Uh, it's a software, a set of programs it is used to create and plan the databases for the organizations. Two examples can be there. Uh, Oracle, MySQL, MS SQL. So these are the examples. Now next is there. What is key in DBMS? Write in two name of keys available in DBMS. Key, it stands means it is a field or attribute which is used to uniquely identify a record, and two keys in DBMS are primary key and the foreign key. What is query? Write in two ways of creating query. Query, it is an object and it is view, retrieve, change the data from the table. So I need two ways to create the query. First is your query using design view, and the next is your query using wizard. So this is how we can add the answers. So nothing more we have to do here. Now next is the fifth number question where we have to write the output with help of drive. So let's go for it. Okay, let's make table here. First is n, so let's put n here. 512626. Next is here loop, yes. So n this, yes. Here is 5126 not equal to 0. It means true. Next is here r equals to n mod 10. So how much it gives us? It gives us remainder, and that is 6. Yes, it gives us 6 there. Now next is here s equals to s plus r. So is equals to s is 0, so r is 6, so 0 plus 6, 6. Now next is here n equals to n by 10. So it gives us n is 5126, 5126 divided by 10. It gives us 512, so 512. That's all. Now in next iteration, whatever is the value of n, it becomes 512, so 512. Again it is not equal to 0, so true. Now r becomes here n more 10, so 2 here, so equals to 6 plus 2 equals to 8. Again it is 512 divided by 10 equals to, it gives 51. Now it becomes 51 not equal to 0, true. So it is now n is 51 divided by 10, so we get the 1. Yes, it is now 8 plus 1 gives us 9. Here again 51, so divided by 10, it gives us remainder, no integer part here, 5, equals to 5 here. So it is 5, again not equal to 0, true. So it is now 5 divided by 10, so it gives us 5. Now is equals to 9 plus 5, 14. Now 5 divided by 10, so remainder it becomes now 0. Since 0 not equal to 0, it is false. So it stops there. So what is the last value of s? That is 14. So here is output 14. That's all. Output is 14. So let's run it and let's see is it 14 or not. Let's paste it. Let's save it. Let's run it. So here is 40, 14. So look here. Yes. Now let's go for the next. Next question is read the given program to put in the box. So what are the box here? Let's go for it. To create file detail.dat and insert some records. Yes. Okay. So as this one, yes, so type error is here. Okay. Enter name, class and address, name, class and address. So here input. This is the first mistake we have done. Should be right. Next is here. Do you want to add more? Here is also typo mistake. Uh, Channel number 5 find top, and next is it down here. So this is the next mistake. C dollar. Everything looks fine there. Detail.dat for append with channel number 5. So everything fine there. So only two mistakes are there according to the questions. Okay. Now let's go with the 7 number. State the following program and answer the given questions. So let's see what are the live functions used in our program. Let's start looking from top. First is mid. So this is the first. Second is use case, and next is umbrella. So these are the functions. Write the user variable C in line 3 in program. C equals to count. What is C here? C, it is counting the string or the word we entered there. Means it finds count. So what is C? C is a variable and it stores the value returned by this function count inverse w dollar, that is this value. It is being passed to n dollar, and here this loop it is finding the repetition of a letter A, that is capital letter. So it counts this C, it stores the total number of A's in this given or the entered string, and after that it is printf from here. So that is a function of C. Okay. So these are the simple conversions we can do easily here. Now next is a 9 number. Height and radius for cylinder. Calculate volume by user different function. Total surface area of procedure. This program we have already written there. So let's start writing this program. 9 number E. So look here, you know it very simple program. The same program is we did in previous video. So what is the height and radius of cylinder and calcium volume? Radiation height, yes, yes. Here is the radiation height, yes. And next is the of cylinder calculation volume by user defined function. Volume by user defined function. So look here, volume by user defined function and total surface area by surplus area. So here is a total surface area, and here we are inputting, so calling the subprocedure and calling the print. That's all. So okay, it's very simple program. Okay, now let's go to the next here. Sequential data file called string.txt has stored data under the field heading name, class, address, and age to display all the information of those whose class is 10 and gender is male. So let's write b number. Okay. So what are the variables here? Name, class, address, and age. Name, class, address, and age. So name, class, address, and age we have used here to read the data. Now question is write a program to display all the information of those whose class is state, gender is male. So let's go for it. Gender is also there, yes. So it shouldn't be as, it should be a gender, yes. So that's all. It's very simple program. Now we can also use the UCase. Yes, UCase is also there. Either this one if that is satisfied, then and this condition if they are both satisfied, then it goes for the print deck. At last we have to close the file. Indeed, that's all. Let's save it. Okay, that was line number B. Next, we write the privacy lines to check the students whether they are pass or fail. Pass one is 45. Let's go for it. 10 number. Let's exit this one. That's all. Nothing more we have to do there. Here is the output. Now next program is there to display the series with the sum. This one. Let's select this one. Let's create a new file here. I think we are also asked to print the series. Yes. So let's go for it. Let's run it. Look here. Here is the output. We are getting series as well as sum. So nothing more there. This is how we can write the program. I hope you unsure about this one because in live session we are discussing all these programs, how to write, what to do. If any confusion, let me know. No confusion, fine there. You want to discuss on particular topic, then let me know. Uh, so this was for today, and again tomorrow we'll be discussing some more old questions and the solutions live. Come join me. Okay. Take care. Thank you.